welcome to another lesson, and we shall be able to look at more on what we call the area of a rectangle. Okay, so in finding out the area of a rectangle, we have been given an example that will give us a view on how we are going to be solving numbers concerning the area. Okay, so let's get our pen here. So when they tell you to find the area of a rectangle, we use a formula. Our formula is formula for area is equal to a half a b h, where our A is area, our B is the base, our H is the height. Okay, so our A is the area, our B is the base, this is the height. So now when you know this as our formula, then you cannot fail to answer or find out the area of this. Okay, they are saying find the area of a triangle below. This is what? This is a triangle. So we are saying for us to be able to find the area of a triangle, we should be able to use a half base height. So where our H is, our A is the area, our B is the base, our H is the height. So where is the base? This belongs to our base and this belongs to our height. Okay, so we can use this kind of method for us to find out the area. Okay, so now if we are to now find our area here of our triangle which is given, we can use our a half times the height times the base times the height. So we now substitute in our values. We have our 3 as the base, then our 4 as as the height. So now this simply means we can now use our method here, and we say a half times our base, which is 3 times 4. So here they got 6. How did they come up with our 6? So now here we can say, we look out for a factor that can divide a 2 and a 4. We say by 2, 1, by 2, 2. Then we say our area here should be equal to 3 times 2. Our area should be equal to 6 centimeters squared. So that's how they came up with a 6. So now in most cases they can give this letter as they can hide it. Okay, either they give you this, okay, they give you this. So for you to be able to find out our height, you should be able to know what you can use. Okay, either they can give you the height and they tell you to find the base. Is that right? So that's how we can easily get the area of a triangle. Okay, so let's try out some other values. We have our figure here, and they want us to find the area. Okay, so now here we can say in our figure which is given here, we can find out our area as a half a base. Okay, can just multiply times that. So now when you are given our figure like here, we have our A, B, then D. So now here they want us to find the area of the area of our triangle here. So in our triangle here, our area is going to be equal to a half times, what is our base? Our base is 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters. We multiply by our height. So our height, we are going to consider this from here up to here. That is 7 centimeters. That is going to be our what? That is going to be our height. So now we can say that our area here should be equal to, we cancel our 2 by 2, 1 by 10, 5. So we shall have our 5 times 7. What is 5 times 7? Okay, 5 times 5 times 6, that is 30. So we get our 30 what? We get our 37, okay? Is that right? 5 times 7, do we get 37? 5 times 7. Okay, 5 times 5, we get our 35, okay? So now our area here should be equal to our 35. This should be in centimeters squared. Since it is what? Since it is area. You can also look to another figure here which is given. They are saying we should also find the area of this. Okay? We have to find out the area of this figure. So, for us to find the area of this figure, we should be able to know the what? To know the formula. Should be able to know the formula. We know our formula of area is going to be equal to a half times the base times the height. So our base should be equal to what? Our base is from here up to here. So our base is going to be equal to 4 plus 5. Okay, our 4 plus 5. This should be what? This should be 9 centimeters. Then our height should be 6 centimeters. So now if you are now to get our area, should be equal to a half times our base, which is 9, times our what? Our height, which is 6. So now here we can get our what? Our area as we get our 2 by 2, 1 by 2, 3. So now here we can say our area is going to be equal to our 9 times 3. What is 9 times 3? We say 9, 3 times. This is 18 plus 9. Okay, that is what? That is 17. Okay, 17. This is 20 what? 27. So our area should be equal to 27 centimeters squared. Okay, let's also try out some other different numbers. We see. Okay, so when you look at our triangles which has been given, we are having a triangle that has another triangle in it. A triangle of this kind, and we are given the base and also the height. Sometimes if they give you a triangle like this, you should be able to understand that this is going to be your height and this is going to be your what? Your base. Okay, so when they also give you another triangle of this category. Let me give you a triangle of this category. A triangle of this kind. Okay, and they name here some values. Let me say 10, let me say 20. Okay, let me say it's going to be, let me say 13. Okay, centimeters. Here is just a trick that for you to find the base. Okay, for you to find the base, you should be able to add our 10 and 20 to get the what, to get the best. Okay, so that's how we can also try to understand the area of triangles and so on. For this, you can be able now to solve some numbers concerning our area. Okay, so let me be able to stop here, and I do thank you very much. Please also be able to check out on our playlist and subscribe for you to get some upcoming content. Stay blessed. Nice moment. See you in the next lesson.